y'all. Hey, my name is Lysandra, and I am a brand new homeowner, first-time homeowner. Super excited, and I just want to share this testimony with you because it's my jewelry hustle that allowed me the opportunity to do it. Okay? I'm a single parent. I have my MBA. Okay? And it wasn't my MBA, and I'm not saying anything down that, but it wasn't my MBA that allowed me the opportunity to do this. It just wasn't. It was my jewelry business. It was my jewelry hustle that allowed me the opportunity to obtain this home for my children so that I can fulfill that one dream that I had since I was a little girl, to grow up in a home, but to do it for them. This city girl that grew up in the projects in an apartment, in a 2-bedroom apartment with one bath, is able now to stand here and tell you that my jewelry hustle allowed me the opportunity to stand in my 5-bedroom, 3-bath, pool included house. And I did it as a single parent. Blows my mind. For many people, owning a home means being married with dual income. For many people, being able to own a home means 2 incomes, maybe even rent out rent out a room or a basement or whatever. For many people, it means a co-signer and needing someone to solidify your worthiness of getting a home. For many people, it's, so many other things. Maybe it's 3 or 4 jobs. No, for me as a single parent and an MBA grad, it wasn't honestly my education that did all that. It was this jewelry hustle that I do every single day and get up every single day loving it and enjoying it and rocking it as best as I can alone with no support, in my home from anyone else but me and my kids. So I just wanted to come on here and tell you that this single mom from New York City projects did it by herself as a single parent. I don't co-parent with anybody. It got done.
Hello. My name is Patrice Martin Carroll, and I am a wife, a mother, grandmother, friend. I'm a good listener. I tend to be all things to all people, but I'm also a small business owner. You heard me right. I am a small business owner. So I decided to open up a business, or to start a business, last year, May 2019. I did it with the intention of meeting people. I had moved to a new state, and I knew people, but I didn't know people. Like, I didn't have a circle of friends. And so I found it a good opportunity to have a circle of friends. So that's why I joined. I did not know that I knew it was a business, but I didn't know it was like a business until I got in it and started moving and everything. And things kind of came like more full circle within the last year. And so within this last year, I've discovered what this business could do for me. So from year to date, January to December, I've made $35,000-ish in sales. That's more than what I made at the last job I worked. The last job I worked full time. I've made a lot of friends. It's given me a boost of confidence that I didn't even realize that I needed. And actually, it's given me a lot of things that I didn't realize I needed. Like, I knew I needed friendships, but the type of friendships that I'm getting through this business are the type of friendships that they lift you up. They hold you accountable. They cheer you on. They do all of those different type of things. It's not one of those catty type situations that sometimes we can find ourselves in as women. And as a woman, again, being all things to all people, somewhere in all of that, I had lost me, and I thought I had gotten it back, but really I hadn't. And so with me having this business now, it's my baby. This business for me is my baby. I nurture it. I take care of it. I'm responsible for it. No one is going to be successful in this except for me. I put into it what I want out of it. And right now I want a lot out of it. So, yeah, I'm so excited because, again, sometimes we don't know what we need when we need it, but then we get an opportunity. And when that opportunity comes, we think it's one thing and it turns out to be something else. And so I'm excited about my baby. I'm excited about my business. I'm excited about the opportunities that have come with it and the ones that's coming in the future. I'm grateful. I'm grateful that I said yes to it. I'm grateful that I said yes to it. I'm grateful that I'm surrounded by people who push, motivate me, ask me to do more. Say, if you want it, what are you doing? All those type of things. I just didn't realize what I was getting when I said yes. And when I purchased my starter kits and all of that, I didn't know what I was getting. And I'm grateful that I've done it, because not only have I made more money again in this last year than I made at the last full-time job I had, I see so many opportunities in it, and I feel like I can dream in a way that I've never been able to dream before. So, yeah, I didn't realize I was going to cry, but this is happy tears, not sad tears. It's happy tears, because it's not until you sit down and talk about it that you realize what you actually have. You know, we get to hustling, bustling day to day, and we don't look at it. And so now, since I'm sitting here looking at it, it's given me a lot, and I'm grateful for it. And I hope that whatever you're looking at, you do the best thing that you can do for you when you researching a home-based business, because it's a wonderful experience to be responsible for your own self, your own finances, your own working hours. It's a wonderful feeling. So you guys be inspired. Be inspired to do something more for yourself